Hi, this is Luke from Shop Seekers, where we take a look at useful items and services that you should probably check out. Today, we are going to take a look at Lollicup. Shopping with this store can actually earn you some extra cash as a side hustle and be turned into a full-blown business even. The setup is really easy and they provide all the materials needed to get started right away. The links will be in the description below. So what exactly does Lollicup sell that can be useful for me, you might ask? Bubble tea, a beautiful, tasty, and sometimes very fragrant drink that started in Taiwan. It has become increasingly popular over time. You can earn a good profit selling them at a large festival, fair, event to some college students from the campus, or you can just buy it personally for yourself. Making these for a special occasion for someone dear to you can be nice too. Materials to make a drink can be as little as 75 cents and can be sold for $3 or more per drink. To make bubble tea, you need tea and tapioca. Pretty simple, but to make signature thank you come again drinks, sweetened milk or other flavors can be added to make many drinks. Toppings and popping pearls, which have become increasingly popular in Europe, can be added instead of tapioca. They are basically juice-filled bubbles that are placed in a drink. They are preferred over tapioca because they don't have to be prepped, cooked, and periodically stirred. Popping pearls can be added to a drink very quickly and come in many different flavors. Lollicup, which is pretty much dedicated to this, has the tea, popping pearls, syrups, powders, canned toppings, tapioca, you name it, and even a starting kit for the teenager that is ready to become the next salesman. This is a good start. Starting kits will be linked in the description below as well. Lollicup also offers cups, lids, straws, spoons, and much more for your tea making needs. The items are compostable, meaning that when they break down in the environment, they don't harm it. So this could be a great thing to buy to go along with it instead of using your own materials. Buying these separately for your restaurant can be useful too, as they sell food containers too and many other things including paper towels and such. If you are interested in any of these for your own personal drink needs, they will be linked in the description below as well. These beverages can be offered at any time of the year and can be made into smoothies, milk teas, non-dairy teas, coffees, and much more. If you would like more information about this, you can go to shopseekers.blogspot.com and search for Lollicup. There you will find out how to make tapioca for the drinks and get an idea of each tea, the flavors, the popping pearls, and much more to make the perfect drink for you. You can tastefully, or however you like, press the subscribe button below for videos to satisfy your shopping needs. Shop seekers, keep seeking.